Hello! In this tutorial, we'll introduce you to two new types of component block used to manually set adjacency conditions for the external surfaces of your building. During the tutorial, we'll show you how to use ground component blocks to modify ground adjacency conditions and adiabatic blocks to create an adiabatic adjacency where there is no heat gain from a surface. An adjacency in Designbuilder determines the conditions on either side of a surface. For example, whether an external wall.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.